Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2App, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the fail to start Cloud's workspace error. First of all, refresh the Cloud page and try again. If the error persists, clear your browser cache and cookies. To do so, click on the three dots and click on delete browsing cache and cookies and click on delete data. Next, you can also open Cloud in an incognito or private browsing window. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're using a supported browser. If you are using extensions such as ad blockers, temporarily disable them and reload the page. You should also check whether cloud services are experiencing temporary outages. And that's it. That's how to fix the fail to start Cloud's workspace error. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.